Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because this is up to part 3. We're up to part 3. Okay, so we did this front bit, inside cover, on the last part, and it is stuck there. And I know that I want to put something else on there, but for the time being I don't know what it is, okay? So we're just going to leave that for now. Now, this page here is off out of the front of one of the books that I had, and it's got all this on one side, and then it has part of a, I don't know, might be a flower house or something, greenhouse with a bit of foliage on it. So, to make that into what I want it to be, of my page, to want it to be my page, I've decided that I'm going to put some flowers on this page, okay, that I've cut out. Alright, now I'm not going to cover it completely because I want to leave some part here for journaling. And this part here now I've decided, I'll just figure that out, I need to put a journaling, some journaling in there. So we'll work on something like that. In here I have cut out pieces of lined paper, some older lined paper that I have, and I'm going to make little booklets out of it. So we're going to do that in a minute. But we're going to try this first and see how this goes. Now I've got 5 past 11, and I've only got a tiny bit of charge on my thing, so that's not going to be nice. We'll do as much as we can, okay? We'll do as much as we can. Right, I like that. Don't you like that? Yes. And then we'll put some yellow. When we find our yellow marker, you know, how I took the markers. Well, I don't know if I can see a yellow marker because I don't want to fiddle around because we've got not much battery. So I'm going to start by putting some bits that I've cut out onto here, okay, and make a collage as a like it's going to be concealing the page, making the page more interesting and everything. So there we go. Now get some ink, should have this upside down, shouldn't I? I'm sorry about all this shadows on here. I might have to move that away so it's not got too much shadow for you, but okay, it'll be fine, I can see. Gee, I hope the other one went alright, the other video. Now we need to put glue on along here. Come on, glue, please work for me. Come out, come out. Okay. Alright. Because I'm still doing this on the same day as I did the other one, it's still cool. So I just keep working with it. I'm going to lay that down there for a minute. Okay. Now I'm going to put this here. Now because I've got this nice bit of yellow under the back, I'm happy with that. I'll leave it like that, you know, and you can have bits sitting through if you want to. But this piece here, because I didn't fussy cut around that, I need to cut that out or colour it. I need to colour it with the yellow thing. Now I've got these pieces, they're still stuck in the book, and in the bag, I mean. That's a nice big one, which is probably too big. Let's have a look at what else we got. Okay, we can't be fiddling around now for too long, because if this goes off I'm going to cry. I'll have to redo it, won't I? How about a nice, oh no, something a bit smaller. Getting too big now, Sonia. There's yellow too. Oh no, don't be too fussy now, come on. Righto, got some, this one. Go up there, yes. That will go there. This has got all peaky bits on it as well. I did cut out, I did fussy cut it, really fussy cut it, so I could put it on the pages that I wanted to use. Now because they're very thin bits, you want to make sure you get your glue right out there so it doesn't come off. Where are we going to go? There? How about that? There we go. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay. Now, another bit of something, different colour. Again. Okay. Make sure we've got all them bits sitting down. That's a bit big, that one. Oh, some nice pretty flowers here, haven't I? got it cutting out, but don't mind doing it actually. Like doing a bit of cutting out sometimes. Really carried away with it. Okay, that's nice. I've already got the yellow on there, haven't I? Let's go with something a bit purpley or something. Something a bit big. Come on, Sonya, might be running out of battery. Oh, got mushrooms. I won't put them up there yet. How about that bit? So do you think I'd like a bit of green on it somewhere? Yep, there we go. You can go there. This is out of these are out of some are out of books with paintings in them, and others are out of other books that I've got. I've collected up, so I've got enough to do something with. Oh, that sounds so strange, but you might, when you're doing something, you like to have a good variety of things so you can actually find what you need. Now this is a little bit heavier, this piece. Here's a card. But it will stick down. It will all work. Never done this before, so I'm hoping we're going to do it right. I've done other sorts where I've just glued lots of pictures together and made a glue paint. Oh, this glue. It's driving me mad. I might have to open another pot, but like I said, I didn't want to do that. Anyway, so this is given us an idea of just different things you can do, like to put in your journals. That looks nice, doesn't it? That looks pretty. I've got all these here. Okay. Could we put a mushroom on the bottom? I don't know, it's upside down. I can't really see what effect that's having on the picture, really. I can't see the effect of it. I do need something to go on there, and I'm not going to worry then about that. At the bottom, I'm going to leave that like that because I really do like that. Okay. I like that. That is accidentally there, isn't it? The right thing here. More yellow. Now it's got to come up into there, Sonya. We've got another piece. This one. Use it, snip a bit off if I have to. Got something. Oh, that's pretty. I do like that. Might not even worry about covering up that bit there. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Should I do that? I'm looking at it upside down, but I'm going to put that on there because I like this one. I do like this one. So we're making our own pages, aren't we? Like that's our own page, and this is our own page. We're doing all right. We're making our own pages, our own paper. As we go along, and give it your own personality or whatever it is. You do it the way you like the things to look, and it's a lot of fun, isn't it? If we do that. You like the way things look. I don't know if that's right or not. I don't know. I'm going to have to spin it round and look really fast before that settles down. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. Isn't that neat? We should take it right to the bottom. No? I might just leave that there for a minute. I'm just thinking I might need a tiny little bit of something at the bottom of there. Here we go. Just to make that so it's not so purple and out there, not so confronting. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. I haven't been going very long with this one, so maybe I'll put two up one day so you can see a bit more progress of things, because we're running up to page 3. Now will we go there or there? I think we might go there with that. Can't see what I'm doing, but well, I can. And then I want to put something over that way. Because I could stick a little mushroom over there, couldn't I? Oh, this is nice. How about that? Yeah, so it's not too... That looks good. I do like that. Okay. So when we do this, I don't know whether I will go over it with something. Definitely not Mod Podge. I definitely won't be doing that because I don't want it to stay sticky. So I'm not really sure what to do about that. I don't know whether to put some wet glue on it or not, or maybe I'll just see what it's like. Because if I've stuck it down on all the corners, it should just go right into my page, you know. It should be right into my page. Right. Oh, that's not, isn't that look good? I do love that. I do. And then there's the journaling space. But, like I said, I'm not sure that I'll be putting more things on the pages, okay? That's not going to be enough for me. Now, I'll just put those really quickly back in the bag so they don't blow on the floor. But that's what we're going to do with our flowers, you know. We could make a few pages like that. We could even do some tags like that. Some ladies on here do this as making as pages too. I've seen other people do it on YouTube. But I think it's just a matter of collaging anyway, and that's been, you know, something people just do. It's beautiful to do collaging. I love it. You can use up all these bits and pieces and then save the landfill a little bit. Okay, so now I'll put that over there for a minute. I'm going to need a fair size, oh well, when I say fair size, I want a good size little pad to go in there, don't I? And I've cut that already, so I do have some bigger pieces. But if we don't finish making this while we're on here, I can always come back to it, can't I? Now, will I put them in there that long? I don't know. They look a bit screwed up, don't they? Okay, well, I've got something better than that. And when I bought myself some books that's got some lined paper in it, because I didn't want to do tea dyeing and that, and these are actually off-white. See, the pages are off-white, and they're just in this book, and that's what they look like. So, I'm really worried that this is going to turn off. I don't know how long it lasts on there. So I'm going to, so all it had was the sewing up the back, you know, and there's little tiny perforations where the sewing stitches were. And I've got here 4 pieces, and I'm going to make like a little flip up pad thing. So I'm going to cut this out. I think if it's half, is that 2? How's that going to look? Yeah, it'll take up a fair bit of the paper. Anyway, we're going to cut this. I'll move this out of the way for a minute. I'm going to cut this in half. First of all, I'm going to take the edge off here, this piece here off. Come on, get through there. Well, it's not straight. Of course, it wouldn't be. It's not straight at all. I'll try and fix that. Oh, there we go. Righto. There you go. Just along the edge you want to do, Sonya. You don't want to do it any more than just so it hasn't got the fold on it anymore. No crease on it anymore. Then I want to do the height of what I want it to be, and I think I'm just going to eyeball this because I just want it to come out the top of the pocket, not to be too big, just right, you know. Just right. Okay. Now if I'm going to turn that over, that's still going to be a very small thing, isn't it? Let me see, what have I done? I'm here thinking. I'm thinking about this. So if I turn that over like that, it's not a bad size. Little writing book, is it? I'll make it into a little book. Yeah, well, it didn't go well when you folded it over. I'm going to actually use my corner punch on this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I do love that. I think I'm cutting 2 or 3 bits here, I don't know. There you go. That's done. That was pretty good. That was easy. And there's 3 pieces of paper. Made 6 little pages. And then you can either stitch them if you want to, which is going to be really easy to do. You just need to, don't even think you have to make a hole to do this one. You don't. And I'm going to use a piece of thread, like cotton. You can use something coloured if you want to. I've got a really old piece of thread on this reel here, and to my way of thinking it's going to be a lot stronger than ouch. What's new stuff? It just pushed the needle into my finger to see if it was a pointy one. That's how I've figured that out. And this is going to be, hopefully, work good. I'm just going to put a knot in there because I'll do double thickness of it. Got glue all over my hands, so I'm just going to start in the centre on the centre line and just push it through. Really easy, okay? And then come back along here, 2 lines down, push it through there. That's really easy. Now, if I want to make this, I can't even see it now, can you? Put a bit of decoration on it. Probably put something on the cover. But I'll put some lace on the cover, I think. What do you reckon? It'll look really classy, won't it, if I put some lace on? What have I done here? I've got pull through good. Yes. Now I'm going to go back. Believe you me, if you can't see it, this is what I'm doing. Because you can't see what I'm doing, but that's what I'm doing. I'm pulling this through here, and I'm making a nice little booklet. I think sewn together by hand's cool. I like it. I mean, you can do it by the sewing machine if you want to. Find somewhere in the room, in the I've got a lot of what's names here. There's just not 5, there's probably 7. Lots of stitches going up and down it, and that's okay. There's no rules. You can do as many as you want to. Get that back in through there. Now hook it round into this one. Put it under that piece of string there, and before you tie it to this piece of string here, okay? And then get yourself a little bit of washi tape's really easy, I found, to do this with, because you can just stick it on there and cut it off. I'll show you. Bit of washi tape. Might use a bit of blue to be able to see something. No, that doesn't keep going. That doesn't go in with what I'm making, does it? Doesn't it look right in what I'm doing? You have to have it look properly so it goes with everything else that I'm making on the page. So, I suppose this will work. You just need a piece of washi tape, piece of string, put the tape under there. Oops, missed it. Piece of string on the tape. Have I got it? No, still haven't got them all. Very fine, that cotton, isn't it? Okay, so you just put them on there, fold that over, catch it. I've got it, I think. And then trim round the excess of washi tape, because you don't want it all hanging on there. Without cutting the string, of course. Some people put little flowers on, little hearts with the lace. You can put anything on there you like. You can have them joined together like I did, or you can have them separate. Have lots of stuff on there. So that is the thing, and I have to go now because this is running out of battery. I'll talk to you later. I'll be back in a minute. Bye-bye.